guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. I thought my hair is did. I have a birded dress on that I made a few years back. Why not create a video? We're here for the Spring Fashion Mood Board of 2021. I didn't title it because I have no idea what to call it. Well, I can call it Walking Garden because that is ultimately what it is. Hence my background. I needed some color in my life because life has been happening. And so what I have is my color theme is salmon and flower print. And I have 3 dresses, a skirt, a tank, and a t-shirt. I used mood patterns, just patterns, which is the first time I ever bought something from them. That's the Claudia tank. And I have seam work and knip mode. I went back to the basics. I went back to when I first started my YouTube channel and knip was it. So I have those pieces, and this is the first time I don't have an actual fabric haul because most of the pieces are already made or are still missing just a few pieces and then they're done. So let me start with the first fabric, and that is this one right here. This is a cotton melange tricot lemon. So lemon is just a color, and tricot is a jersey. That is, and it's beautiful, it's soft. I bought this fabric at Textile Stud. Then I have this fabric right here, and this is a viscose, and it is from stoffen.net. It's beautiful. It is really, really beautiful. I love it. As you can see, I'm still admiring. Those two are one ensemble. This is an organic jersey, and it's the color rust. At first, I thought I would combine this fabric with this fabric right here. And it goes well together. But I think the item that I made doesn't really flatter, so the top that I made don't flatter the bottom, and so that's why I was like, okay, I need another color, and so I bought the lemon color. Then I'm using pleather in salmon. And this one you have seen on my Instagram already. This is a satin cotton, but this is what you see right here, all over. Love it. Moment Supreme is this one right here. This is a viscose fabric. It is also salmon, and it has like this type of flowers on it, as you can see. I had posted this fabric when I bought it last year, but I didn't finish the dress last year, and so I saved it because I really, really wanted to finish it. And I only bought, yeah, the one from Textile Stud and stoffen.net. I didn't buy anything else because, as you can see, I got enough. And so it's fun shopping your stash and trying to find fabrics that you maybe had a plan for before, but then time passed, maybe I didn't, or I forgot and I made something else with it which was even more fabulous than my original idea. You get the drift. And that's it. And as always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. And you have a great, great day. Bye.